The scale of the mess we leave behind is proportionate to the level of respect that we have for others. Stuart Stafford. Hello everyone, I am Brian Leal and I am currently a college student. Since childhood, I've observed the changes in Earth caused by humanity. I remember the clean oceans and streets that now are hard to find, all because of the increasing of pollution. Witnessing through these years this lamentable issue, I have enough credibility to talk about this topic. The pollution on Earth increases every single year at high levels as well as pollution. The first oceanographic study of the oceans and were estimated that at least 5.25 trillion individual plastic particles were floating on the near surface, which is horrifying the planet. Today I'm going to talk about the environmental problem of plastic pollution, giving a particular focus on how this affects the ocean. First, I will mention the extent of the problem and its leading causes. Later, I will explain some of the current solutions. And finally, I will give my personal solutions. So let's begin with the extent of the problem. Two new studies were published this last April 2020 in the journal Environment International, explaining how plastic waste continues to reach the Antarctic, meaning that the problem is growing up every year, reaching areas where plastic does not supposed to be. The global plastic pandemic. Across America, 50 billion plastic bottles is used for recycling, just the 22%. The plastic never goes out of the circulation as it's incinerated, just the 12% as all the plastics, which is equal as wide-scale pollution, which is really a bad situation. Humans perform the main causes of this problem. According to the Natural Environment website, it takes at least 400 years for a bag to biodegrade. Thanks to the plastic bags that we usually use, approximately 100,000 sea turtles and many other marine animals died every year. 80% of the marine plastic pollution comes from the land. Over 30% of the plastic waste comes from the food packaging, becoming a silent killer. As I said, many animals like turtles have been identified with plastic in their stomachs. This is all caused by the plastic poisoning ocean. Also in Australia, 50 million garbage bags end up as litter yearly. In addition, plastic pollution causes harm to humans, animals, and plants through toxin pollutants. Toxins work their way up into the food chain when plastic is ingested and can be even present in the fish people eat. The good thing is that there are many solutions to solve this problem. Some infrastructures or companies are taking back and recycle the products that they produce. Besides, awareness of the severe consequences of plastic pollution is increasing, and new solutions including the use of biodegradable plastics and many things that embrace the government and the public. However, we can do many changes that I recommend, like for example to carry a reusable water bottle, coffee cup, carry clothes bag for shopping, eliminate the use of plastic and straws, switch the plastic to paper, and also try to buy loose food like fruits or vegetables from groceries or farmer markets instead of packaged food. By doing these little changes, it is possible to make a difference. To conclude, plastic pollution has become an urgent problem that affects the ocean in our lives in general, and that needs to be stopped because of the Earth's welfare. It is essential to be aware of the main causes of this problem and how that provokes an extension that is leading to a worse consequences. It is good to consider solutions that we can implement to help to solve this troublemaker situation in our planet. It is time to take care for our planet. Making those little changes are not a challenge. There are many ways to help out our planet, starting up with taking responsibility of wasting of plastic. Little changes can make a difference, an improvement for our planet. So this is for our future generations. So let's start with a change today. Thanks for your attention.